Hi there! Thank you for watching this new video on my channel. Today we are going to bake pain de tradition baguette, a typical French bread. My name is Kees Melis and I'm a teacher on a secondary vocational school in Eindhoven, the Rooi Pannen, for bakery and pastry. The ingredients for the traditional French baguette: we use 750 grams of wheat flour, farine de blé, 450 grams of cold water, 50 grams sal de gris salt, 2 grams of dry yeast or 6 grams of fresh yeast, 150 grams sourdough, liquide levain, and we need some 75 grams of extra water for washing in the dough. Before you can use your sourdough, you have to activate it with 1 cup of warm water and 1 cup of wheat flour. Activate your sourdough 4 to 6 hours before using it. Recipe advice. In this video I use the traditional wheat flour. You can replace it with Belle Meniere, a French wheat flour with wheat germ. Or use the Emeraude, a typical French wheat flour with wheat germ and extra sourdough. The ingredients for 4 baguettes are 750 grams of farine de blé, 450 grams of cold water, and at the end you need an extra 75 grams of cold water, 50 grams of sal de gris, 2 grams or 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 150 grams of active sourdough. You want to know how to make an active sourdough? Watch this next video. We start the hydration with the flour, and cold water. Knead the dough slowly for 4 minutes and 4 minutes quickly. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 60 minutes. After the autolysis, we add the salt, the dry yeast and the active sourdough. At the end, we wash in the extra 75 grams of cold water, slowly, bit by bit. The dough temperature maximum 24 degrees Celsius. Check the dough whether it is smooth and elastic. Folding and stretching gives more dough tension. Sprinkle the baskets with rye flour and durum groats. Loosely form the round bread. And later on, the baguette. The final proofing for at least 60 minutes. Bake the baguette at 235 degrees Celsius with steam.
Today I showed you how to bake the French baguette with my sourdough and the farine de blé. Did you like it? Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. Contact me at my email. Thank you for watching and until the next video. Goodbye.